Good morning, viewers. Today we'll study the information that you can derive from a given symbol. To understand this, I'm taking the example of phosphorus. The symbol given to you is as represented here. 31 here stands for the mass number, represented by A, which is equal to the total sum of protons plus neutrons. The number 15 stands for atomic number Z, which is actually equal to number of protons. In this case, it is not equal to number of electrons as there is a charge. Electrons are equal to protons only for a neutral atom, not otherwise. Since in this case you have a charge of 3-, it is an anion, the electrons will not be same as the number of protons. Moving ahead, number of protons is equal to 15 and the atomic mass given to you is 31. Therefore, 31 is equal to protons plus neutrons. Hence, 31 is equal to 15 plus neutrons. Therefore, your neutrons will be equal to how much? 31 minus 15, which is equal to 16. Hence, we end up with protons are 15, neutrons are 16. Left over are the electrons. A 3- charge is indicative of plus 3 electrons, or electrons are greater than protons by 3. Hence, the electrons will be protons plus 3, thereby the electrons become 18. I hope that's clear. The negative sign is indicative of electrons more than protons. Since it is 3-, the value of electrons will be 3 more than protons. Hence, electrons are protons plus 3, that is 18. Since you are aware of the electrons, you can easily write the electronic configuration. The 18 electrons will be distributed in the shells of the atom as 2 for the first shell, that's its maximum capacity. The L shell would have 8, that is 10. You're still left with 8 more, which go in the M shell. Hence, the M shell is complete this time. So, if you are asked to draw the ionic model of this atom, I'm not calling it as an atomic model because atomic model would be for a neutral atom. Since it is a charged identity, we are talking about an ionic model of an atom. To draw the ionic model of an atom, you will need the nucleus. In the nucleus, you have protons equal to 15 as calculated, neutrons equal to 16 as we did, which becomes your nucleus. Now you draw the shells for the electrons. The first shell, known as the K shell, has got 2 electrons. The second shell, known as the L shell, has got 8 electrons. And the third shell, M shell, has also got 8 electrons as already done in the electronic configuration. Therefore, just a mere symbol can give you information about mass number, atomic number, number of protons, number of neutrons. Calculate the number of electrons from the charge given. Apart from that, you can now distribute the electrons in the shells and draw an ionic model. Thank you.